Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittney Bundles, and today's video is going to be an update on my Microlocs, my DIY Microlocs. So, if you are interested in this video and this update, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Please make sure that you are subscribed, and let's get right into the video. Come on, baby. So during this video, I probably will be stopping a little bit because my baby is literally right by me on her play mat. And sometimes she looks up to make sure that I'm still looking at her, and she'll make a noise or something like that. So that's what I'll be doing. But I wanted to give you all an update. So if you've been following my channel, then you know that I have been on this Microloc journey for about, I would say, almost a month. I wash my hair every week. I do braid and band, and I haven't really had any issues with my hair. I did schedule an appointment to get my hair retied. However, there was a conflict with this appointment as well. So I scheduled an appointment for a consultation. That day, the loctician could not make it to the shop, so we did an over-the-phone consultation for literally 2 minutes, not exaggerating. She kind of looked at my hair, and that was just really it. I told her what I washed my hair with, how long I've had my hair twisted. She asked me how many twists do I have, or locks do I have, and I didn't know. So that was pretty much it. She did tell me on the consultation that there's a good chance that she may not be able to get it all done the first day, and that I'll have to rebook an appointment. The only thing is, she didn't know when I would be able to rebook the appointment. She said we could talk about it and try to figure something out, because she is very booked. It was by, I want to say, the grace of God that I was even able to get a consultation and an appointment with her, because she's booked until next year. So she had a cancellation, and I was on the cancellation list, and that appointment came open. So I was thinking, after I got off the phone consultation, if I wanted to continue to go with her, because I'm like, if I get half of my hair done and then I don't know when I'll be able to get the other half done, I don't know. I don't think that I would be okay with that. So I thought about it for a day, and then I said, you know what? I don't really want to do that. So I let her know, and she was okay with it. Excuse me. We went ahead and canceled that appointment. So I decided to retie my hair myself. And I'll tell you all the retie method that I was using and things like that. But I do a 3-point rotation, and I'll tell you the inner points and exit points throughout this video. I may just have a clip posted, or I may just post it I don't know, somewhere throughout this video. But I have a 3-point rotation that I've been working with. I also have tools that I have been using for my retie. I thought I brought them down, but I did not. I'm going to show you those in this video too. I ordered my tools from Amazon, and I'm going to explain how my first day retying went. So the first day I started, today is actually Monday. I started on Friday night, and I retied for maybe an hour. And I got a lot of the front done. Here's what my hair looks like up close. I still have some in the middle front that I have not done, that I still need to do. Now, when I first started doing it, it was very challenging. I was not using water. I didn't even think to use water to separate my hairs, because the parts are, the Microlocs are so tiny, and the parts are so tiny. And because my hair is twisted, it's some of the hairs intertwined with each other. And even though I was doing this very frequently and separating my hair after washing, some of them still were intertwined. So when I went to do my first retie, I was accidentally interlocking hairs from the other lock that I shouldn't have been. So I got frustrated with one, and I tried to pull the hair apart, and it was dry, no water put on it at all. And it literally ripped out. It came off. And I'm going to show you all that too. Let me actually go get everything that I want to show you, just so I don't have to keep, because I was thinking of just inserting pictures throughout the video, but I think it'll be easier for me to just show you all now as I'm going. So one moment. And actually, I thought this would be a great time for me to show you like the rotation that I've, like my inner and exit points for my 3-point rotation. So I drew a clock on this envelope. It's like a credit card statement. Only piece of paper I could find around at that time. So I drew a clock, and I didn't put like the arms or anything like that, but I just drew a clock, and I go in at 9, out at 3, in at 6, out at 12, in at 9, out at 3, and then in at 12, out at 6. So that's how I do my rotation. So when I say in at 9, I'll take one of my locks, and once I have the needle, I'll go in at 9, come out at 3, in at 6, so the bottom, come out at 12, in at 9, this side again, come out at 3, and then in at 12, come out at 6. So it's kind of hard to demonstrate it, but that's how I do it. And then I keep this like clock and these points written out in front of me while I'm doing my rotation, so that if I get lost, if I forget, I'll have it right there. But because I've been doing the same like hand movements, rotation for a while with these ones on the front, I kind of have it down pat. Okay, so I wanted to show you all what the lock looks like that came off. So here's a lock that came out when I first started doing my inner locks. It just popped, like it didn't pop off, but like I was pulling it too hard because I messed this one up. You can see how it's not neat at all. It's just really not right. So I don't know where this one came out of. I tried to look, but I could not find it. And that was that. So when that happened, I really got discouraged. And then I'm like, hone it back in, we'll be okay. I prayed, and I continued to do my hair. These are the tools that I've been using. I got these from Amazon. They are different sizes. I'll probably get a different tool next time around for the front of my hair. These locks in the front are very, very small. So I'm gonna get a different tool probably for these locks in the front. But as I continued to go through, I started spraying water on some of my locks just to kind of separate the parts a lot easier and to have the tool go through them a lot easier. And it worked really well. Once I kind of got the rotation down pat, like how I was going to be doing it, then it became a lot easier. I still have a lot to do. I still have all of this to do. You can kind of see the ones that I have. The reason that these have taken so long, one of the reasons is because when you do 2-strand twists, a lot of times like you'll have some unraveling at the top as well. So when I'm retightening, I have to retighten all of that. So it's a lot that I'm retightening versus I believe next time it probably won't be as much for me to retighten. I kind of get into the rhythm of doing it, and if you want to see me retighten my hair, just let me know and I'll do a video showing you how I do it. But I kind of just get into the rhythm of redoing it. Baby. I kind of get into the rhythm of just redoing them. And you know, I just work as long as I can until I need to stop. As you all see, my baby, she's a baby, so she's gonna be wanting me to play with her, stop very frequently, and so I do. So I'm not really able to get done with like as much as I would if I did not have my baby with me. But I still got a lot done. Again, I've been working on it little by little since Friday night. So I do like a couple hours a day. My goal is to have my hair done completely. Probably, baby, I'll probably have my hair done by Wednesday is what I'm hoping. And then I'll wash my hair next week. I normally wash my hair every week. I did not wash it this Friday because I knew I was going to retighten my hair. And then I'm going to wait until next Friday and wash them, braid and band and wash my hair. Hopefully that'll still kind of keep me on the same cycle. And then next time I'm hoping to get my hair done within 2 days, or maybe I'll find a loctician that can get me in. There's no conflicts with the appointment and everything works great. So I just wanted to show you all what my hair is looking like now. I'm going to get a little bit closer. Like you guys see this one, this is super tiny. I'm probably going to combine this one. All right, so that is it for my quick update for my Microlocs. I think that they have gotten a little bit longer, but I don't know if it's just the fact that I retied them and they're not shrunken up like they were before. I don't know, but this is what they look like. I have not used any products. I don't plan on using any products besides just spraying my hair with water when I need to do my reties and washing my hair, and that's about it. I will give you all another update, come back to you and let you know how my hair is doing. And until then, if you have any questions, leave them down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.